Assalamualaikum, good morning. So today is a very interesting day. I just sold my apps. I have a lot of money. I'm gonna buy a car, right? So what kind of car? You just have to stay tuned. I'll bring you to the most extraordinary journey of having a new car. So, where are we going on this lovely morning? Right? Kita nak pergi tengok kereta. The car that we are going to see or to get our hands on today will be the new Mercedes. It's either going to be the C43 or C63, but it's AMG though. So it's going to be AMG. So it's going to be AMG day today. Hari kita bawa AMG. What kind of AMG? We're not sure yet. You're gonna see. We're gonna check out. We're heading to Bangsa, Naza Wheels, Mercedes Bangsa. So stay tuned for more, guys. What color is this? What color is this? It's the red. It's the product red. Product red car. Reverse. Damn, this is cool.
Reverse more.
Reverse more?
Go ahead. Some more? Some more? Some more? Okay.
It's amazing how the seat feels. It just hug you properly, not too tight. If you are used to drive a bucket seat on the Recaro or whatever, it just hold you like very tightly. But this one is just comfortable with Alcantara trimming. It just feels just nice. And the moment when you tuck in your your seat belt, it's just welcoming you, like hugging you. It's good. You know, it measures your body and everything. It is something that what I define luxury. The interior, the cockpit, I can say it's more like the C200, C180 normal C class, but the small little things like the red trimming, alright, the checkered design inside, so, and the floor mat of course, and this red silver, that what defines AMG. Just to bear in mind, this AMG is a CKD. It's completely knocked down. It assembled in Malaysia. Alright. It doesn't give you the 1.1 engine, so it's not that. But still, it is a powerful AMG.
167 horsepower.
There you go. 167 horsepower. 4matic means that it's all-wheel drive. Precise measurement of power delivered to individual tires. Means that it helps you drive. It's a powerful car, and yet it's not scary like the C63. Sorry, it feels great, but it will be nicer if it's Alcantara, you know, this side and everything. But and from my understanding, it is the kind of push start, right?
Yep.
But the push start does not glow.
It doesn't.
So I want something that glows. When I'm at night, I want to push start that thing, you know. It's too bad we are not in Karak ke, Bentong ke, Genting ke. We in KL, we are Mid Valley, near Bangsa. So there's a worse place for you to drive this powerful beast. So, but I tried to find a very good stretch for you to listen to that 2,120 ringgit worth of road tax. Right? So that is what you pay for actually. Oi, abang janganlah macam ni, saya takut bang. Ayo. So we now enter Federal Highway.
Yeah.
So if you can see how I'm sitting right now, it's on my. So the power is there. So when you nak keluar lane, you motor terangkat. So you know, you have that power. It feels like an NA car. Whenever you have the power, you want the power, it's there. Alright. Oh my god. And the beautiful part is when you are driving under 3000 RPM, it's sounds on the screen, senyap. Sound dia tak ada bunyi bising and everything. But the moment when you floor it, oh my god, the sound, it just gives character. It's different compared to the C43 where it's a V8, when you have all the sounds from beginning and everything. But here it doesn't have that, but it still gives you the character that you need to pull this shit out. Oh, it's hard for me to drive and talk. Sibuk.
Bagi lampu saya.
Dah bagi dah. Nice.
So the moment when I shift to Sports Plus, everything changes. It becomes a beast. From a normal family car, sedan, it's just, you know, even the gearing, the ratio just shortens up. And when I lift throttle, it still stay in gear. It doesn't shift. So the moment when I step on it again, I still in the same in the right bandwidth of the RPM. So I tell you what, if I ever get a chance to drive this car in Sepang F1 circuit, I will rent out 3 other GoPros. See how generous Mercedes will be with me. If you tak sering nak invite I lagi. Okay, I'm good.
We will invite you.
This is not uncle's car anymore. This is not your normal uncle's car. It may looks like a normal C class, a normal C200, a normal C180. Driving speaking, it feels like one. Everything is the same. But like I said, the small little things that matters, stitching and everything. I do understand that if you bought a normal C200, C180, that you can have the grille, you can have the rims, everything, right? You can, but one thing that you cannot have is the under the hood. Think about the handling and brakes. Now I understand how Hamilton, when he said that he always brake later.
Braking distances, you are phenomenal at leaving it late. Talk us through the decision points.
You know what? I'm late at everything though.
That maybe is true. That maybe is true.
I'm late for flights.
Because he have the confidence of his car, and yeah, I also become a Hamilton by stepping on the brake at the very last minute, and it just bites, and the brake just bites. It bites. The turning part. Oh, I feel it sway, but it recovers. I feel it sway. And I feel the formatting kicks in. It corrects me instantaneously. I can feel the tail's gonna whip, but it corrects me back. Damn. So that is, to me, that is luxury. When I step on the GLC 200, 250, the power is there. The power is there. You can feel the car move forward where you want it to be. So you have confidence in terms of overtaking or whatever. It just do whatever it's supposed to do. But with this car, it's just a whole different league. It just not allow the car to go forward. It throws you behind. I go? Can I go? Alright, can. Please. Sorry for the clickbait. The title of the video will be misleading and everything. It's just that I just want to make things much more spicier. There you go, my test drive with Mercedes. See you around.